I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select the trigger, which is GiveWP. Select a form or task name from the drop-down. I am selecting a user makes donation via form. You can choose as you want. Select a donation form. Click Next. Now search and select Action SureTriggers. Give here the webhook link. So go to the SureTriggers dashboard. Create workflow. Give here a meaningful name. Start building. Add trigger. Search and select webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it into the integration site. Body. Send all data. Applications/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. On the SureTrigger site, you can show the webhook executed responded. Save. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to SureTriggers site and click on the plus icon. Choose your desired action. I am choosing Airtable. Create record. Choose connection. Select base. Select table. Map the respective fields. Test action. Action tested successfully. Save. Publish. Workflow is active now. Now go to your donation page. Type some information and submit the donation form. The donation has been done successfully. Go to the Airtable site. And you can see here the data came successfully in the Airtable via SureTriggers. Thanks for watching.